Good morning. Today we are visiting Carmel Beach in Northern California. Carmel Beach is about a 2-hour drive south of San Francisco. It is only 18 minutes south of the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Carmel is a very fun place to visit because not only does it have a beautiful beach, but it also has a lot of restaurants and shops where you can go and do some window shopping. Carmel is very easy to get to. It is directly off of Highway 1, and all you need to do is get off of the Ocean Avenue exit and just travel westbound on Ocean Avenue. Most of the shops and restaurants are clustered around Ocean Avenue. If you park at Carmel Beach, you could actually park there all day long for free. In order to get to the shops and restaurants from Carmel Beach, you do need to walk up Ocean Avenue, which is a slight hill. It's not too bad, but I would say it's probably a 10 or 15-minute walk to get into this area, which is where all of the shops and restaurants are located. If you park in this area, you will have to pay for meter parking. To get free parking, just go off on some of these side streets and you'll get 2 hours of free parking. There are 3 public restrooms in downtown Carmel. The first one is way down by the beach. The second one is right here in a little park on a corner of 6th Avenue and Lincoln Street. And the third one is in this plaza that's on Ocean Avenue, and the cross street is Junipero Street. There are a lot of restaurants, art galleries, and shops all clustered together off of Ocean Avenue. You could easily spend a whole day just walking around downtown Carmel. It's definitely a very fun place to visit. Next, I will show you a video of our visit to Carmel Beach. Enjoy! Good morning. Today we are heading down to Carmel in Northern California. Carmel is just south of Monterey, and we are coming down Ocean Boulevard, and we're going straight down Ocean Boulevard and straight towards the water. You can kind of see the water in front of me, and we're hoping to find a parking space at the very bottom of this hill. And we're very close to that spot. So the beautiful thing is we actually got free parking. Today is a Sunday, 3-day holiday, President's Weekend, and we got free parking right here near the beach in Carmel. And look at that, it is free, unlimited parking all day. It's absolutely amazing. I'm heading down the hill towards the water, which is the beach. And as you can see, the parking lot is very close to the beach area. In the summertime, it's actually warm enough to get in the water, but today is pretty cold. It's up to 51 degrees. And there is a bathroom nearby right there. There's also a changing area, but no showers. There's a volleyball court behind the bathroom area. Everything is really convenient out here. There's one area on the right hand side down here by the beach that has a little boardwalk rest of the area is sandy. So you go from this boardwalk area and you go left, and there's the beach right there. Here we are officially at Carmel Beach. There are a few people out here braving the cold, but for the most part, there's a lot of space out here. Not a whole lot of people out here today. It's a beautiful sunny day. Definitely not too crowded today.